start off and give you an overview of what we are going to do in the next 4 sessions. So we are having in all 5 sessions. Session 1 will be contextual setting, but apart from that, today you will be understanding what is business analytics, what is HR analytics, and I will quickly run through some amount of evolution, but the focus will be more on some use cases, emphasis on how some of the organizations who have used HR analytics have really impacted in terms of revenue or productivity, etc. And then we will also talk about data, qualitative data, quantitative data, all those regressions and correlations. We'll see how data is, because data is important. I may have a lot of data, I may have a lot of metrics, but what is important? How do you actually draw insights from that? What do you do with the data? I might be sitting on huge data. How do you actually then connect? We'll also look at the 4 levels of how an organization works through HR analytics. Okay, so we'll be setting the context. And then in the session 2, we'll start with looking at, because you can do analytics, but ultimately, if you cannot quantify what should be tracked or what kind of analytics should I do? So you need to understand business. And we'll be doing the balance scorecard, which is a measurement tool by which we will be establishing both lead indicators and lag indicators for all the functions. Okay, and from those indicators, we will be then gaining insight, which actually you can take back and do it in your own organizations. And then you will see that how that every HR function, what it does, how does it connect to the business objective or business goal, and what kind of an impact it is. Okay. Then in the session 3, we will be doing all analytic for recruitment, statistical analysis, benchmarking, especially for recruitment, okay, and operation analytics in terms of recruitment, compensation, performance management, etc. And in session 4, we will do predictive analytics, where we will do correlation, regression, no talking, all with data. So I also want to emphasize that all these sessions will be more of practical and breakout activity. So I will actually recommend that you must go through a little bit of the theory before you come, so that you can have a quick, learning. Okay, it will save your time and also helps it, because I'm not going to spend a lot of time telling you theory. Theory you can just read up. Okay, guys. And session 5 is very, very exciting. So this is something Wilma has brought to you. You will have a lot of data, but if it is not visualized into graphs, charts, pie chart, trend analysis, you will not be able to make insights out of it. So she will be helping you with Power BI, okay, and data visualization. And in today's times, Power BI is an excellent tool to help you with data.
Introducing the next generation of AI in Microsoft Power BI. Copilot in Power BI empowers your people to unlock the full potential of your data and move from data to insights faster. Now, with Copilot in Power BI, you can use natural language to bring your data to life. Simply describe the visuals and insights you're looking for, and next generation AI will create your report and help you refine it. You can then dig into this data further by asking a question, and Copilot will find the best answer. Not only does Copilot help you visualize your data, but it taps into Power BI's advanced analysis capabilities to help you find key influencers and outliers and create forecasts. Copilot can summarize your data into easy-to-understand text narratives that help others quickly get important and relevant insights. And for analysts who are creating calculations and modeling data, you can simply describe what you want, and the code is automatically generated. With Copilot in Power BI, turning data into impact has never been easier.